back to the channel. Today we are going to see a sunset. For this experiment we need a flashlight, a glass beaker with water, milk and a spoon. When I shine this flashlight, it looks like the sun high up in the sky. Now I am going to add some milk to the beaker and then I'll stir it with this spoon. Let's shine the flashlight and check the results. Now let's check the results with the phone's flashlight. The difference we just now witnessed was because of the milk particles present in the water. Milk particles stop the light. Similarly, when the sun is low in the sky, light passes through more air and the air particles stop the light. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to see the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. Bye! See you in the next video.